Did you know the Start menu is the control center of Windows? If you understand this, you can control your entire computer easily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Windows learning series. In today's video, we will learn everything about the Start menu in Windows. How to open it, how to use it, and all important sections explained step by step. This video is perfect for beginners, so watch till the end. The Start menu is the main control center of your Windows computer. From here, you can open apps, search anything, access settings, shut down your computer. It is one of the most important features of Windows. There are two easy ways to open the Start menu. Method 1. Click on the Start button on the taskbar bottom of the screen. Method 2. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. This is the fastest way and very useful. With the Start menu, you can do many things. 1 is search apps. Just type the name like Chrome or Word and open it instantly. 2. Open settings. You can quickly access system settings. Settings equals control center of your computer. Settings is the main place where you can control, customize, and manage your computer. 3. You can restart, shut down, or put your PC to sleep. 4. Access installed programs. All installed apps are available here. Pinned apps are the apps you use most. If you don't want to pin any app, you can just select the app and click on Unpin from Start. App won't show here until you not pinned again. If you want to add any installed app in Pin Start, go the app icon, right-click select Pin to start. I am selecting here Steam for this action. For verify Steam is pinned or not, just click on Start button and check in Pin section. You will see here Steam, which I have pinned. This section shows all installed applications. Click on all apps and scroll to see the full list. Useful when you don't remember where an app is. Here both type app will see, Systems app and installed apps. This is used to control your computer power. Options include lock sleep shut orders. Always shut down properly to protect your system. The search bar helps you find anything quickly. You can search apps. If want open app and you did not found icon on the desktop screen, no need to worry, just type in search bar whatever you want search. I am looking for Steam and typed in the search bar, it show on the top. Files. If you have no idea about your file, just type your file name search bar. It will show here recent file and other possible file which it find from your computer. And simple, you need to click on file for open it. Settings. Settings is the place where you can control and customize your computer. You can open settings in two easy ways. 1. Click Start menu, give settings icon. To press Windows key plus I shortcut key. Even web results. If want to browse on internet, search for any internet browser for internet. I have Chrome, just search in search bar and double click on the icon. Chrome will open for the internet access. Here are some useful tips. Use Windows key plus S to search instantly. Right click apps to see more options. Pin your favorite apps for quick access. Use search instead of manually finding apps. So today, we learned the Start menu complete guide in Windows. In the next video, we will learn about taskbar and its features. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.